creators making $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 a month in 2026? What 5 products will they be selling? I'm doing a deep dive covering all of this and more in this video. And if you're not selling at least one of these 5 products, you are leaving serious money on the table. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree, the easiest platform for selling digital products and services like digital downloads, coaching, memberships, subscriptions, and MiloTree is great at growing your audience too. Now, I have spent the last 7 years helping creators build profitable online businesses, and I need to tell you what is happening right now. AI has changed everything. You can't just copy and paste ChatGPT content into an ebook or guide and sell it anymore, because why would somebody pay you $27 for information they can get from ChatGPT for free? 30 seconds. So here's the shift. You have to be the product. Your personality, your guidance, your expertise, the human element AI can't replicate. And here's the good news. When you understand this, AI becomes the best accelerant for your business in 2026. This is the best time to start. Why? Because AI helps you create content 10 times faster. It writes your workshops, your coaching frameworks, your membership content calendars, but you deliver it. You show up live. You create the transformation. That's why these 5 products will be dominating in 2026. Let me show you. Product 1, you should be selling one-on-one coaching. Lisa is a productivity coach. She charges $300 per session, books 12 sessions a month. That's $3,600 a month with just MiloTree for billing, Zoom for coaching, and a Calendly link for scheduling. People don't want more AI-generated productivity tips. They want someone to look at their calendar, their to-do list, and tell them exactly what to do to be more productive. And guess what? That's you. That's what people will pay for. Okay, product 2, you should be also selling workshops. Ben, one of our MiloTree customers, he teaches marketing for real estate agents. He just ran a live workshop last month. He charged $97. 45 people showed up, and he made $4,365 in 90 minutes. So he was using the same content he teaches in one-on-one coaching, but now he's teaching 45 people at once. It's live, it's interactive. People ask questions in real time. ChatGPT, remember, it can't do that. And here's the smart move. You take the workshop, turn it into product number 3. So product 3, you should be selling mini courses with live Q&A. Rachel, another one of our MiloTree customers, she teaches nutrition for diabetics. What she did was she ran a workshop. Great. She hosted it live. Then she broke it into 4 modules. She added weekly live Q&A calls. She sells it for $147. She's sold 38 in about 2 months. That's over $5,500 from content she already created. People get the course on demand, but they also get live access to her every Friday. Best of both worlds. So it's evergreen content, plus that human connection. Product 4 you should be selling is a group coaching program. Jared runs a 12-week business coaching program for personal trainers at $497. He coaches 18 trainers at once on weekly group calls with a private community. That's close to $9,000 per cohort. He runs it twice a year. Some members roll into his membership, which is product number 5. Here's where the real money is. Product 5, sell memberships. Sarah helps Etsy shop owners. She launched a membership in March, $67 a month. She hosts live strategy sessions twice a month, and members share what's working in their shops. She now has 227 members, and that's over $15,000 a month. Her members support each other in the community. They share tips, they troubleshoot problems together. ChatGPT can give you Etsy advice, but it can't create a community of sellers who get it. That's worth $47 a month. This is the prize. It's recurring revenue. It is scalable. A community where you are the guide. Here's why MiloTree is perfect for building your business in 2026. You could sell all 5 of these products in one place. Coaching sessions, workshops, courses with live calls, group programs, memberships, also digital downloads of any kind. MiloTree handles the payments, the delivery of your downloads, the scheduling. AI even writes your sales pages. Here's what we take seriously: ease of use. No Thrivecart, no Kajabi, no Teachable, no bloated, expensive, hard to use platforms that require a PhD just to figure them out. You just show up, do what only you can do. Ready? Be human, be yourself. Create that transformation for your customers. MiloTree handles all the technical stuff, and you can start for free. No credit card required. Test which of these 5 products fits your business. See what your audience responds to. Now, I created a simple AI prompt called the 2026 Product Selector. You tell it your niche, your expertise, what stage you are in your business, how much time you have. It tells you which of these 5 products to launch first and gives you 5 immediate action steps, because the goal here is to get moving now. You don't want to waste any more time. The prompt is totally free. Link in the description. Link to MiloTree to sign up for your free account is also in the description. And remember, use AI to build faster. Use MiloTree to sell easier. But remember, here's the important piece I want you to take away. You are the product, and that's what people will pay for in 2026. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. I share strategies like this every week to help you build profitable online businesses. Let's go build yours. And check out my next video where I'm going to talk about how to cultivate your vibe that attracts people to you and want to buy from you.